Welcome guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be doing a Jamaican style cocoa bread. Yes guys, nice and soft, not the middle buttery. So let's get right into the video. So here we have some warm milk. This is a cup of warm milk. Now we're gonna go in with our instant yeast. Yes guys, so this is the instant one. Rise quickly. So if you don't have this one, you can run onto your Walmart or any store and get yourself some package. They're very handy and nice. So here I have one large egg, so I'm gonna be adding that there too. Then I'm gonna go in with my melted butter. Then I'm gonna add my brown sugar. Guys, you can feel free to use brown sugar or honey or granulated sugar, whichever you want. And now we're gonna mix everything in. And we are mixing. I am excited about this bread because it's been a long time I don't eat cocoa bread. So now I have 3 cups of flour already sieved. So we're gonna be adding that to our mixture. And then we're gonna add a teaspoon of salt. Then we're gonna combine everything together and make our dough. Guys, if you have your mixer, this would be easier, but I don't, so I'm going ahead and use my hands. Yes guys, so do what you are comfortable with. So now this form into the dough, perfect dough. That's the texture and that's how I want it to be. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna knead the dough, but now I'm gonna put it on my surface, which is already clean, sanitized down and clean. If you have a pastry mat, go ahead and draw that out and get your dough kneaded. So now I'm gonna knead this in and I'm gonna shape it into a ball. So gently knead. Put your back into it. No guys, don't. So guys, if you reach this far into the video, please remember to like, comment, subscribe and share. So now that we formed this into a ball, what we're gonna do is we're gonna add a little bit of olive oil into the bowl so your dough don't stick. Right. So now that we mix this and just coat the container, we're going to go ahead and add our dough. So guys, I coat the top of the dough with oil so it don't dry out, it stay moist and nice. So now we're gonna leave the dough to rise for 1 hour, but we're gonna cover it. So here we go guys, our dough is ready after 1 hour. So what we're gonna do is press out all the gas from the dough, and our countertop is clean, so we're gonna dust it with some flour and go right in. Time to make those cocoa bread. So I'm making sure that no more little package of bubbles or anything is in the dough, and it feels so good. Wow. So now that I do that, I'm gonna get my milk and I have my butter on the side. Now I'm gonna cut this dough into sections. So with all of this, I am going to get about 8. So I'm going to show you guys 4. Oh, I do 4 of them, and then I will do the rest off camera. Then we're going to go ahead and we're going to roll the dough into a ball. So you're looking for not too perfect, you know. Yeah. So see, right there. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna get our rolling pin. We're gonna dust our counter too if we don't have enough flour on there, and we're gonna press that out like you're making dumplings. Yes. And you're gonna dust your rolling pin, and we're gonna go in. So we're gonna get this as flat, not too flat, not too thin, the right size. So you're doing this like you're making roll. So now that I flat this out, I'm gonna go in with my melted butter and I'm gonna coat the middle. So you're coating one side of the dough. Guys, feel free to try this recipe. Feel free to zazz it up the way you want. If you want to do whole wheat, or you want to do nut bread, nut coconut bread, or anything you want to put to it. But this is our Jamaican style cocoa bread. And then you're gonna fold it, and voila. And then you place it on your baking sheet. Repeat the process for all the sections again. So it's the same thing, same way you're gonna be doing it, same procedure. to rise for 15 minutes and get back to you guys. Here you go, they're ready. So we put them in the oven for 15 minutes, guys. So you let them rise for 15 minutes, then when you are baking them, you bake them for 15 minutes, depends on how your oven is. So now we're coating them with some melted butter. You can use milk to coat the finishing if you want to, or melted butter. Look at that, guys. Wow. 2 slices of cheese or a patty and I'm good to go. So guys, you can also have this as just as it is, just come out of the oven hot and nice, or you can leave it to cool and have it as a side with anything. So guys, feel free to try this recipe and tell me how you like it here on my YouTube channel or on my Instagram page, that's Pal's Island Kitchen and Lifestyle, or my TikTok. Follow me on all social media platforms where you will see new things, new ideas, and many different recipes that I'm coming out with. So guys, please remember to like, comment, subscribe, and share, and just be happy and enjoy this Good Friday, Easter Sunday, and Easter Monday. Thank you guys so much. And as I said, yes, you do it with anything, because now you can have this with fish and bread. Fish and bread is amazing. That's one of the things that we have when it's Easter time in Jamaica, back home. So guys, live good, love God, and I will see you next time in Pal's Island Kitchen. Peace.